morning from Magnolia Plantation. So we're gonna walk in, we're gonna go get our tickets. We're not that far, but we're a little ways. While we're doing that, I'll show you what we had for breakfast.
Got our $50 breakfast.
Oh my God.
We made it to Magnolia Plantation. We first stopped at, what was it called?
It's called the Charleston Bakery and Deli, or Delicatessen. It's like a northeastern style deli that they have here. It's on the way from our house to the plantation, so we stopped there, picked up our breakfast order. We're gonna eat it in the car, and then we're gonna go to the plantation. This is called the Baja breakfast, or Baja something or other.
Yeah.
And basically it's toast with eggs and then avocado and salsa. So I'm gonna share some of this with Story, and then Tim got...
I got the bagel witch with
Open it.
sausage, egg and cheese, and onion, and salsa. It looks pretty good.
I don't mean to start off complaining, but when we got our food, we waited until we got to the plantation to start eating it, and then realized we didn't have any utensils. And so I had to dig into Story's diaper bag, and I found some forks of hers. So that's what we're gonna use to eat. Oh, yeah, I wanna try the bagel. So here's a close-up of the bagel. The sun is like just blasting us right now, but here's the bagel. Here's the cream cheese. That's a good bagel, nice and chewy.
Here's their hours.
It's kind of hard to see, but general admission is $20, and then these are all the add-ons, so each one is going to be $8. So I think we're going to try to do the nature train today, and maybe the nature boat. We'll see how much we have time for.
Flowers. Time. You want to smell them? You have to get out?
Yeah.
You want to get out and look at them?
Yeah.
Smell it. Smell good?
Okay, not none.
Go smell it.
Smell the pink ones. Do they smell beautiful?
Okay.
What does it smell like?
I'm going to poop.
Soup?
Yeah.
Okay, azaleas smell like soup apparently. These are so pretty. So this is the perfect time of year to come here. This is April 2nd.
Yep.
This is about, I'd say we're almost at peak time for them to bloom.
Finals on the ground.
Yeah, no, Mama.
You've got 2 flowers?
Yeah.
But these are known in Somerville. Like they're all over downtown Somerville. They're all over this plantation. People come here, like professional photographers come here to take pictures. It's just so vibrant and pretty. Is that the perfect little bench for you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to ride on a train?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's go ride on a train.
You're seeing around the property, and a good bit of info on the rice culture here at Magnolia. And these islands, by the way, are called rookeries, built for the birds. There's also another one up on the top left. And these large white birds, these are great egrets. And great egrets, they get up to around 3 feet tall, fully grown, with about a 4-foot wingspan. Beautiful birds. They are predators, though. They'll eat snakes, fish, eels, and I've seen those birds eat small baby alligators as well. All 4 of these cabins are built in the 1850s, so quite old. And you notice going through here, 2 doors per cabin. And there would have been 2 slave families living in each cabin, sharing one. One family living on one side, one on the other. And depending on the size of each family, you were talking roughly between about 10 to 15 slaves per cabin. So it's pretty tight quarters. Up beside us here, this one's over 300 years old, and one of our larger ones on the grounds. We're going to see quite a few more throughout the rest of our tour. All the gray stringy stuff hanging off the trees everywhere called Spanish moss. Those are all tupelos out there. And tupelo trees will produce tupelo honey, which is really good. If you like honey, that is. This down tree coming up beside us here, this is a massive water hickory that came down 2 years ago during Hurricane Dorian. That hurricane did do a number on us out here, so yeah, just some of the remnants left over from that. Looking tops, there's more right up here on the edge of the bank. Those are cattails, also known as bulrush. And those are useful plants. The Native Americans used to grind the roots of cattails down, and they would create like a poultice or a salve out of those and apply it to cuts, burns, stuff like that, used medicinally to allow the water from the river into the fields. And there would have been one slave manning each of those floodgates. They were called trunk minders. The floodgates were also called water trunks or rice trunks. The slaves operating those called trunk minders. And basically what they would do is wait till high tide, when of course the salt water is getting pushed in the ocean upstream, combined with the fresh water. And when salt water and fresh water combine, the salt water sinks to the bottom. Saline in it makes it more dense, heavier. And of course the fresh water layers are over top of it. So when the tide was going back out, that's when they would open those floodgates and allow that top layer of fresh water to come down into the rice fields. And each one of the trunk minders would have been tasting that water periodically, about every maybe a couple of minutes or so for salt. And as soon as they started tasting large quantities of salt, they would close those floodgates.
Yeah.
And I've seen a marriage proposal happen on that bridge before as well. Yeah. And she said no. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. She said yes. I'm totally kidding.
We're at the Peacock Cafe. I'm gonna see if they have some hot cocoa today. But they open at 11. They have soup, salads, sandwiches, all kinds of things. Here's a better look at the menu. They have ice creams too. SpongeBob, Bomb Pops, Choco Tacos.
So if it was warm, what would you get?
Probably a strawberry shortcake bar. I love those.
Chocolate taco.
How's that hot cocoa? How is it? Is it delicious? Toddler approved. So we're standing right here at the Peacock Cafe, and if you turn to your left past Tim, there's the nature center right there. So I think we're gonna try to do that next. We're gonna get some food to feed some animals. Look, Story. It's a little goat. Hi there. He's going in his house.
Come here, goat.
He's going in his house.
Can you hold this food?
Duck over there.
Look, there's birds.
Y'all saw the snake, right?
No, I didn't want to go anywhere near that.
It's that pin over there with the geese running.
Hi, little deer.
Here, throw a piece of food.
What kind of food is it? It looks like Cheerios.
Cheerios and corn,
Corn, some
rabbit
little
food,
kibble of some sort.
kibbles and bits.
They got a nice little water set up in there. Hey there,
Look. Come here,
Story. Look at the ducks.
Say hi, duck.
He said quack quack.
Go on the duck. Go on the duck.
Oh, he's taking a bath. Look at all the deer.
Stay awake.
How How many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. There's an owl up in here.
Up on the top?
Woohoo!
See him over there? What's an owl say?
How much of this do you think they get fed every day? That's a no. Oh. He's like, excuse me, ma'am. Say hi, goat. I like this fella. He's got the life. What is that? That's the piggy's house. It's the most chill goat I've ever seen.
Lori, see the rabbit?
I found the Easter bunny. There he is. He's sleeping so he can wake up for work on time Sunday.
Right. He's got to do a lot of hopping.
I like that squirrel's name is Squirrel. Hi. This is the main house on the plantation. This is actually the back of the house. It looks like the front, but the front's on the other side because it faces the Ashley River. That's the transportation that they used to use back in the day so they could get all of their goods shipped to the house. Like I said in the beginning, this is an $8 extra charge, and you can go through and tour it and see all the rooms.
Watch out, there's a car coming. There's a car coming.
Hi, Story. Hi. Hi, pretty girl.
Hi, Mama. Look at Mama. So we're getting ready to leave Magnolia Plantation. On the way out, they actually have like a garden center. You can purchase azaleas and all sorts of other plants and stuff. So we just came in right there. We saw these for sale. All of that is for sale. Different varieties and whatnot. And then it just opens up all this back here too. I haven't seen a price on it. Oh, there we go. So this little tree, what is this? This is a crepe myrtle Delta Jazz, and it's $30. So that's a pretty good price, seems like. So headed back to the truck, and that's a pretty good day.
Yeah.
I
if
got
you're coming
hot
here,
cocoa dumped on me. So
if you're coming here, I would suggest getting here when they open because all the lines for tickets and for that cafe, they tripled. So
yeah,
make note.
Yeah, that was pretty. I mean, it's quite chilly today. It's only the high today is 55.
Yeah.
All week has been in the 70s, so it's quite chilly today, and there's still a pretty good crowd out. So.
Well, it's peak azalea season, so everybody wants
true.
to come and see the flowers.
That is true. Okay, so we're back to the truck. We're gonna head home, give Story some lunch, give her a nap, and I don't know. We'll see what else the day brings.